Hi guys, so today is day 8 of How to Land a Job in Island series. Now we've already talked about having a resume that's like best resume. We've talked about creating a portfolio website. We've talked about everything in length but not how to give your interview. So let's get right into it. In Island, interviews are usually done in 3 parts. The first part is your phone interview. The second part is your interview with your reporting manager. And then the third part is your interview with the hiring manager plus someone from HR or plus someone like a director in that department. It is usually the same for all the companies, but it might differ for different companies as well. Some companies tend to have like technical rounds as well. So overall it's 3 rounds, but it could be more, completely depends on the organization, their policy. So if you are applying online, you started hearing back, usually the first round is the phone round. So you're getting those phone calls from the recruiter or the reporting manager, what to do when you're getting those calls. So there's a quick hack on if you're someone who needs time to be ready for that call, because that call can come at any time. So there's no fixed time for that call. So if you're someone who needs time before getting that call, there's a quick hack. All you need to do is you need to tell that person that you're outside and you will be home in like 30 minutes, or you can just say you're in a meeting or a call. Take that 30 minutes and prepare for that call. So make sure you ask the recruiter or whoever's called you to give you the name of the company and the position that they're calling for, and then take those 30 minutes to read through the position, the company profile. Make sure you're reading your resume as well, and then give them a call back. Usually they would say, okay, yeah, call me back in 30 minutes, or they might say that let's fix a time for tomorrow, which is even better, because then you're getting a day or 2 days to prepare for that phone call. Once you're on the call, make sure you have your resume open. Make sure that it doesn't feel like you're reading out of your resume. So you're getting some time, you're getting time to prepare for what you want to say, especially if you're someone who's only started getting those calls and you've no experience of how to do like phone interviews. It is the easiest part of the interview cycle, but it is difficult for some people. So I completely understand. Initially when I was giving phone interviews, I was scared as well. So make sure you're taking those 30 minutes or like a day or whatever, preparing for that phone call. Don't be too scripted, but make sure you're putting all the points across. So when you're reading the job description and you're reading your resume, make sure you find points that are similar. So on the phone call, emphasize on those points. It's like, don't stick to like on your resume. Make sure it aligns with what the reporting manager or the company is looking for. So it's not just you reading out your resume. I hope this was helpful. If you're applying for jobs, make sure you watch this series. I'll be posting more videos soon. Stay tuned for more.